2014, the Chevy Silverado is all new, from the rear bumper to the front bow tie. Now, we could stand here and tell you about it, but we'd rather show you. One of the great things about this new Silverado is the ride and handling. It almost feels like a crossover SUV, and yet still has all the ability of a full-size pickup. For 2014, the Silverado gets 3 new engines, 1 V6 and 2 V8s. The block is all new, and it also gets direct injection, which means more power and better fuel economy. Of course, the Silverado can still go off-road. It has automatic 4-wheel drive, and it now has hill descent control, so you can go down steep hills at just the right speed. Thanks to its excellent ride and handling, comfortable interior, plus super cool in-car connected tech, at the end of the day, the 2014 Chevy Silverado is the best full-size truck there is.